What is enthalpy? Let's imagine carrying out the expansion of a gas in our piston under constant pressure conditions. We'll do this in such a way that the pressure is constant throughout. So, in other words, we're going to add some energy as heat to the gas molecules, which is going to increase the temperature, and in order to keep the pressure constant, the volume will increase. Now let's ask ourselves what happens to the internal energy of the system when this process occurs. So we can use the first law. We know that a small incremental change in internal energy is equal to a change due to energy added as heat plus any energy that is transferred in or out of the system as work. Now recall that we can calculate the work done on or by the system for this type of expansion work as the opposite of the pressure times an incremental change in the volume. So if we make that substitution, we can see that a change in internal energy is equal to the amount of heat transferred in or out of the system minus the pressure times a change in volume. If we focus on the amount of heat, we can solve this equation for the amount of heat transferred in or out of the system. Because we've done this at constant pressure, we can write dq is equal to dE plus the quantity dPV. And now, because the sum of the derivatives is equal to the derivative of the sum, we can write dq as d times the quantity E plus PV. This combination of state variables, E plus PV, is defined as the enthalpy, which we give the symbol H. So we can see that the enthalpy is a measure of the amount of heat transferred at constant pressure.